So good evening, guys. So I'll be showing you guys how I created this wonderful design over here using my Canva app. So let's dive into the tutorial. So firstly, I imported my background. I made use of some boss background. So I made use of this white one over here. Then I position it the right way, reduce the opacity to 45. Reduce the opacity to 45. Then I imported this pattern. Yeah, this pattern over here. So I added it to the background. So this the brand style. So I reduce the opacity. The brand normally use this kind of style, Caleb. So then I added my text. So they are hosting a video challenge. So it's a 7 days video challenge. I added the text there. I changed the color to orange. Then the font I used is Inter. And I slanted it. So position it the right way. Then I added my text again, challenge. So just like I said, it's a 7 days challenge, right? 7 days challenge. Then the font I use for the challenge is Brother. There is a ligature font in Canva. Those that are making use of Canva will understand what I'm saying. So I made use of Brother. Then next thing I did was I imported the image. So I generated this image with Flow AI, formerly known as ImageFX. So I created it there. You can see it's a customized image. The lady's clothes it's written on it Caleb, the brand name. So something inspired me, then I generated the image there. So I added my shape. So the lady said she wants the design should feel energetic and very, very vibrant, right? So that was what made me use these colors. It's their brand color, but I made use of the vibrant version. Then added that text at the top there. Then I changed the box to yellow. Took the 7 days and the challenge upwards a bit. Likewise, also the lady's image, I positioned it very well, positioned the shape very well. Then I added another shape at the bottom there. Then another shape at the bottom. So I make sure it's aligned with the yellow shape. Then next thing I did was I positioned this one very well. It's kind of a bit large. Then I added another shape. I duplicated the yellow one, then changed the color. So I positioned it very well. The orange was not giving that vibe, the one I created, so I had to change the color. Then I started bringing in the necessary information. This is brief Caleb 2.0. So I copied the subheading, added my text box. Yeah, then I reduced the size. Then the font, I changed it to Inter. because isn't I'm making use of medium. Aligned it properly, reduced the line spacing a bit, then took it up. So then I arranged it on very well. And then after that, I copied the other information, what I do, then I duplicated the text and pasted it there. So the next thing I did was to increase the size, then I changed the font weight to bold. Then I copied the other information, pasted it, increased the size, then I changed the font weight to regular. Then next thing I did was I added this icon, verified check icon, a verified badge. So I added the icon. So changed the color to black. It was blue, then I changed it to black. Reduce the size, then position it very well, align it, then I duplicated it again, duplicated it again. So that's that for that. Then what I did next was duplicated the shape, then I changed the opacity to transparent. Then stroke, I added the stroke, right? Added the stroke there. So reduce the corner radius and position is very well. Then I added the dates. Added the date at the bottom there. Then I added the shape at above this other shape at the bottom. I changed it to white. Then I position it very well. So I'm going to be adding this CTA, the CTA 20 slot available. I'm going to be adding it there. So what I did was duplicated this, then I pasted this, the CTA over there. Then what I did next was I duplicated the shape at the bottom. I added it at the bottom over here. Then the corner rounding, I increased it. So I'm going to be adding my information, my other information at the bottom there. So get ready for the change. It's not like we promise. They're making to the audience, right? So going to be adding it there. Then the next thing I did was I'm going to add the name at the top there. So I did what I do normally do, where I would make the shape transparent, then I'll add the stroke the stroke. Then this time around the stroke color was black. So the name, I'm going to add the name. I already duplicated the text, so what I just have to do is, one is change the color to blue, like dark blue. So I changed it to dark blue, then I wrote the name Caleb 2.0. So the name of the community is Caleb. So I posted the first one. I was the one that handled the first project. So this is the second one. Then I added this camera at the top. This camera at the top. Position it very well. Just reduce it a bit. Then I position it very well. Then I added this light effect. So position it on her face, then I'll reduce the opacity. So the opacity is 21. Yeah, 21 is okay. Then what I did next, stopwatch. Yeah, so this represents limited time. So I may added the stopwatch over here. And I'll reduce it. I'll reduce the size kind of way to be. Reduce it more. And I'll position it very well. So there's this stuff I'm going to be adding to the design also. This light at the top of the camera there. So let me search for the light effect. So I would look for it. So before I add the light effect, I'm going to add this phone of her image. Her image is there. So what I did was I used photo room motion blur to add the motion blur. So I duplicated the image into two. So I added one at the bottom left and one at the top right. So it just gives the design this premium feel and it makes it very, very energetic. So let me add the light effect. So I just have to search for it in Canva over here. Light effect. So I'll be going for the one, not these ones. Okay, so let me look for it. Scroll. So okay, this is the one over here, the one close to the butterfly. So just have to rotate it, make it fit to the camera lens. Yeah, just rotate it a bit more, then position it very well so you can see the difference. So then I'll reduce the opacity, go to the transparency to reduce the opacity to 33 is okay. So that's that for that. So then I will just export my design, download it. So it's already exporting. So I just have to wait a little bit, exercise a little bit of patience. You should download. So we've come to an end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also anticipate for more Canva tutorials like this. See you in the next video.